Hey everybody, it's Kevin Long here in St. Louis, Missouri, checking in with an update video on this full stack application I am building called Watch TV. It is made with React, Node, Express, and MongoDB, and Watch TV serves as a central hub for all of your subscription TV streaming services. So you search for it here and you watch it there. And what you're looking at on the screen right now is this is the user's homepage. Across the top, you've got the scrolling banner images for all of the titles that the user has saved. Oh, and we also have these links, so we can go to the trending movies. And there's 300 titles in each of these categories. And then we've got the top rated movies, and we've got trending TV. You get the idea. And we've got top rated TV shows, and then we've got coming soon. And yeah, there are 300 titles in each of these categories, except of course the watch list. This is just going to be what the user has saved, and you see you'll get the user gets the count of what they have saved. Right now I have in this demo account I have 14 saved titles, and those are right here, and you can see they have the handy remove button right there in the bottom right corner. So say if you've watched something already and you don't want to keep it in your watch list anymore, you can just hit the X and there it goes away. And so there we go. All right, cool. What I wanted to look at is the some of the different ways I have search results being displayed. As you can see, there are several different options for the user to search. We can search by title, we can search movies by genre, TV shows by genre, we can search by a combination of genre, source, and type, which is pretty cool, and then we can search movies and TV shows together by genre. And since there are so many different ways of searching, I have been experimenting, playing around with different ways of displaying the results. And so let's look at the title search results. We're going to search for Star Wars. And you can see we get a nice grid layout. All of the, we can see we searched for Star Wars, and then any title that has any movie or show that has Star Wars in the title is displayed here, and it's nice, responsive layout. And so I think this does a pretty nice job. There's not always a lot of results. There's not always a lot of titles returned. Sometimes there will just be one returned in a title search. But if there are a lot, I think this is a good way to display them. So I'm pretty happy with that. And let's look at, we're gonna search movies by genre. We'll search for science fiction, and you'll see a totally different approach to laying out the results. We have them in these swiper cards, bigger swiper display. And we can click on the poster to get to the title details. And this is kind of cool. It's kind of interesting. I like the parallax motion of the different elements as they scroll across the screen. But there's like 200 titles in these results, and nobody's going to want to scroll through 200 different science fiction or whatever genre they have selected. By the way, you can see we can combine genres too. We can search for action and science fiction together, and then we'll get movies that have, you can see action and science fiction. But yeah, nobody's going to want to scroll through this many results. So I think a much better way to do this would be this other option that we looked at before with the title search, at like this. So I'm gonna refactor the genre search results to look like this, because I think this will provide a better user experience. One thing I want to try with this is I want to make this application installable, and I want to try putting it on a smart TV. So I think all of these being displayed on a TV screen would look really nice. So that's what I'm up to. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, I would love to hear it. I will once I have that change update completed, I will come back with another video to show you how it looks. Thanks for watching, and have a great weekend, everybody.